Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I'm just setting the timer on my phone, bear with me. The camera cuts out every 10 minutes, it's a pain in the ass. Anyway, I got the sudden urge to just like DIY this top. It's very high neck and I'm feeling a bit, I don't know, a bit rock, a bit scandalous. So I just wanted to destroy the neckline. I got a bit carried away. I did get a bit carried away, not gonna lie. I thought I was doing something.
How low should I go?
I really wasn't. I really should have stopped before that part when I did before the scissors. But you know what? I didn't fucking stop.
I just had to do a bit of DIY.
I carried on and completely destroyed the shirt. My little Hulk moments
It's
there.
not fabric scissors, by the way.
Yeah, we can tell. Yeah, I butchered it.
Okay, whatever. I just feel like I had to do that.
Yeah.
If you guys listen to my podcast, which you should be following my podcast, link in the description box, okay? It's Shukura Online. So I was talking about how I started a new project, a street style project. Initially it was around rock style, and it still is, but it's also about the colour black. Those who wear black in the summertime, those who like to wear a lot of black, any kind of darkness in them visually, they're a big part of the series. So it's about a video project of, you know, what are you wearing, where's it from, what are your style inspirations. So I saw this girl and I was following her from behind, yeah, and I was like, wow, look at the outfit, like it's so put together, so well, the boots, I just thought the outfit was so nice. And I was like, no, that's it, that's what I want. I like that, I want that in my show. I managed to pluck up the courage to stop her and ask her if I could get a video of her outfit, and she said yes. Thank you, Jesus.
I'll cover your face, that's fine, yeah.
She said no face, so which is fine.
Yeah, your outfit is stunning, beautiful, absolutely lovely. Where did you get it from?
From China, Taobao.
What's your inspiration? Why so much black in the summertime?
Oh, I think black is cool. This is a little bit
Sexy.
It's true, she's right, it is sexy. Like I said, the bra thing was a big deal for me, so I couldn't wear this top. Even this top I couldn't wear it for a while. And now I feel like it's too high, like I just had to cut it. So I'm definitely transforming. And this the classiness of it all. I do think a lot of the Asian girls do put things together very well in a very tasteful way. And I think it's a very tasteful, casual outfit with a bit of sexiness, which is, we're still edging into the sexy, okay? So this done so well, guys. I love the boots. I mean, I forgot to ask what brand the boots were. I actually don't know if they are any brand, if they are brand, but in doubt, always wear boots, and I'm just in love with the whole thing, guys. It's stunning. A1. That's a 10 out of 10 outfit, you understand?
Yeah, it is. You look absolutely beautiful. Alright, take care. Thank you. Bye.
I'm so proud of myself. I have to focus on my wins. Remember, in my course, Building Inner Confidence, we focus on small wins. So this is a huge win for me, and it's the beginning of my new project to me getting back into the things that I have grown up doing, the things that I love. So yes, I'm so excited for this project, and you should be too, because there's nothing like it online. There's no series that focuses on punk, rock or alternative fashion and darkness and black and the black colour. So if you're into that edgy kind of style, or just the colour black, then this series is for you. So I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be so sick. I just braided my last two braids and put these pink ones, and put some elastic bands on the end. It was like sticking out too much. The eyes. So my last video I did a purple smoky eye, a purple and black smoky eye. Now this one I did a just black, and I wanted to make it really feline. I didn't want to bring the black too high, so I kept everything kind of focused just on the lid, and I really like it. Bought some black eyeliner and some black mascara and some new eyelash glue, and I used the black eyeliner that in my waterline on my eyelid as the base for my black eyeshadow, just to intensify it a bit more. That's actually a tip if you want to intensify your smoky eye. The base must either be white if you do bright colours, or it can be black, and I use the black eyeliner. Everything I use, I'll link it in the description box, okay? My lip's not there yet. I do want a lip that's purple. This is quite a natural lip. It's like a soft matte lip cream. I'll insert the product, it's kind of fading, but I'm gonna go for more of a purple undertone, like a vampy undertone, because purple does suit me. But yeah, I love this eye. I do love it. I think it's so nice. I need to get some new lashes. I'm very indecisive when it's coming to lash shopping, or I like them fluffy. So yeah, so I went to the market as well, guys, and so on my Pinterest board, follow my Pinterest board, link in the description box, I see that the girls wearing a lot of these like bodysuits, like cut out bodysuits, and I love that look. I think it's so me. I think it's so sexy but so feminine. Kind of see it. You can kind of see through, but you can't. I love them. So I found a few. I'm not sure it's the right style, but I know that I want to go in that direction. So these are a few of them that I found. I'm thinking of getting one, but I haven't found the right one yet. Or maybe I'm just not confident to buy it. So I do have an issue with the. So because the market didn't have, you can't try on, and that market is so rammed, she can barely even get into the store. So I went to Ann Summers and I went to go look for some black corsets and bodysuits. I don't actually like bodysuits, it's just too uncomfortable for me, but that's what it is, bodysuits. I'm currently in Ann Summers. This is what I'm trying today, a lot of black. Okay, let's go. I do know I'm gonna have to get it specially made because it's just not fitting my body properly. Guys, I found one that was so nice. Like, this one was so pretty. Oh guys, ooh, this one's not. The thing about the corsets, yeah, is that you can't tie them up yourself. I had to get the girls to in the changing room to come tie up the corset. Anybody they shouldn't do it for web because there's no point. So how are you supposed to do this corsets by yourself? Like, is it actually possible? So a lot of the bodysuits are kind of like, now that I put a lot of them on, they kind of have, like, they're not really like that special. Like, at first I was like wearing lingerie outside, but I do know that's part of my style. But I think it's about the coat you have on as well. I think it looks good with my fur coat. It looks really good. Come on, let's not lie. But without that, obviously I can't wear it without a coat because I'm wearing lingerie. But I did find some lovely oversized men's leather jackets in the market. Damn, this is the one, guys. Look at this. My God. I'm just like, no, this is fire. This needs boots and beautiful hair. And I need to have my nose ring, which I'm still not wearing today. I forget to pull it in every time I film, I'll take the piss. So I saw so many people like wearing the colour black in summer. Like, it was a hot day, relatively warm, and we're wearing black. And I just feel like, I do think it's the British thing. I do think like when it comes to the colour palette, we are kind of on the drab navy blue, you know, black, white. We lack colour in the British palette, you know. So I just feel like, I don't know. I think I still can't get over that people are wearing black in the summertime. Because I would just feel, I feel very off about that. I feel very wrong. I feel like I'm breaking some rule or something like that. So everyone looks so good, and I guess now I can see more people wearing it. I feel more comfortable wearing black in the summertime. Before I felt a bit off. So guys, I went to DEICHMANN, okay? I do love DEICHMANN, it's one of my favourite stores. They had some pretty sandals in there. I found some really nice sandals in there. What do you think about these shoes? Are they okay? This is reminds me of my sister's golf shoes when I grew up. These will be good at these sandal ones here, especially these ones. What do you think? Ooh, no, these ones. They're nice. Very 90s. So this is the new shoe I'm trying on. So what I have on currently. What do you think? Thank you very much. I'm gonna try on the other one at the same time, okay? Let's see how it goes. What do you think? I do like them. If I was supposed to have some summer sandals, these are good. It'd be nice if there was some silver on there though. Some hardware. Hardware on it. What do you think? I'll try them. My size, but I'm going to try these because it's got silver on it. So I'm going to try them. Yeah, these are better. I feel like these are more within the rug. This is a bit soft 90s. This is more rock. These are nice. I like these. I love them. I'm definitely about to get these. Found them in a size 7. I'm going to try them. These are lovely. I love them. Look at that. I love these guys. These are like so... I feel like this is what I'm supposed to have on my feet. I just love it. I think I should have black nail polish though. Black nail polish for sure. Love it. Definitely getting these guys. It's from DEICHMANN, by the way. I love that it has this gold detail, this silver buckle on it. I love the silver buckle because initially I was going to get the ones that were plain because they remind me of the ones that I grew up with, but actually the style that I'm going for, that silver detail kind of like helps set the tone, doesn't it? It helps set the tone. So Yeah, I loved it. It was so pretty. And then I found some high heels with a chunky heel, which is easy to walk in. I love both of them and they're so nice. I am powering them now, but they're really nice. Like, it was nice to find another option because all I have are boots, black boots, so to find a flat and then a dressy up heel, it felt good.
Okay guys, I've got another shoe I tried on. What do you think? Love them. Love them, love them. My, see? Do you think? Sick. I need black toes, but these are thick. And they're chunky and they're so nice. I might spray them silver. Love them, so comfortable. It's a hit. Oh, I'm proud. What do you think? Looks good. Looks really good as well. So it gives it a different flair. It gives it more of a feminine flair, you know. It's really soft, my favourite. Again, I'll spray paint that silver.
It felt good. I feel like I'm getting it because my initial thing was, what do I wear on my feet? Like, when I do my street photography, I'm gonna have to take into consideration like shoes for room because I do kind of struggle in that area. You can't tell me they're nice. And I had this little cushion thing. I swear, like, it's a tiny bit of cushion just to make it feel like you're walking on clouds. Like, it felt so comfortable, and it went with my current look that I was wearing. I love, guys, I'm in love with these shoes. I have to go after them. I love that girl's blonde hair. It was so pretty. The blonde, the wave. I just feel like it's the wave. It's not a curl. It's like a wave, and that's what I'm gonna get with my. I want to mix a bit of curls and waves when I get my blonde. It's that loose. It's that wave. I was trying to think about what it was. That was wave, and you know, I'm not trying to like touch my hair for 5 seconds. I just can't stand it on my face. I also forgot to say in my last video, this hair needs to be black. There can't be any brown in it. I just don't feel like it's something's missing, you know. It needs to be darker. Otherwise, I'm loving my eye though, guys. I am loving the eye. So guys, this is like a new style of vlog. I think this is how I want to film my vlogs from now on. I don't like the whole camera and up and walking around thing. I think I want to sit down and kind of talk about it. I'm still experimenting. I'm still trying to find my style. So let me know if you got to the end, because then you're a real one, and what you think about this style of vlog. Okay guys, so follow me on Pinterest, Shakura Online. Follow me on Twitter, Shakura Online, and follow me on Instagram. I'm currently revamping my Instagram for a black feed, and I will see you online. Take care. So I've been trying to upload my first vlog. It's taking me like 2-3 days to do it. It's not going on. It's taking ages, man. So I'm just gonna start my new vlog, and I might put some of the old footage in that. So I'm trying something new, and let's just go along with it, okay? Just go along with it. I gotta move this room. Something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast. Cross me.